Hi everyone, this is MD168. Welcome to Dynasty Suites here in Redlands, California. So, come and join me and let's tour you around the area. So, hang in there. It's a nice country road trip. My screen is not nice.
Many bugs.
I know. Look at that. Cyber. We are here in San Bernardino, California.
Yeah, the weather's really nice.
Beautiful. The weather is 79 degrees. Beautiful. San Bernardino Avenue, City of Redlands. City of Redlands. We're here at the Redlands. We are here at the Redlands. Before we go
it's over
meet
here on
our
the left.
friend, we are going to see and meet this one, a little Dynasty Suites. It's a little, oh, this is cute hotel.
Yeah. Jeff picked it out for us.
Oh yeah, Dynasty Suites. Let's look.
Yeah, this is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Okay, there's the lobby right there. So
All right,
I'm gonna go get
guys.
checked in. And
Yeah.
this is kind of a cool place.
Let's
Probably.
go inside
I like it.
to this Dynasty Suite here in the Redlands. Look at their old building.
We're looking for 138.
Huh?
I asked her if the doors are right there on the outside by where you park, and she said no. Looks
Oh,
like they
look
are.
at the trees. Look at the plants climbing on the walls. Oh my God, look like old, huh? It's just unique. The tree's dead because it's winter time, but it goes back to green. It's
So
beautiful.
there's 137.
Are we going upstairs? Oh,
See it?
where?
Right there. There's 137 and then 138 right
All
there.
right. Okay, guys, I will tour you around. That's the. So guys, sakit man akong kabatangan. Nagparking sang akong bana. A room is right there. So, let me walk you around this little hotel called Dynasty Suite. They have a little pool. Oy, ganahan ko anang kuan. Gazebo. This is the no glass allowed. Oh, it's nice. Is it a heated pool? Oh, they have a hot tub there. But, huh? Hi, my love.
Where's the key?
Right there. Oh, I go to check the room.
That's what I've been waiting for you. I don't see the key.
Right behind. Close me, hon. You want me to go inside first? I come here to the gazebo. Oh, it's nice. They have a little table here. They have a hot tub. There's the hot tub. in Dynasty Suites. And there's the gazebo. Hi everyone, this is MB168. Welcome to Dynasty Suites here in RedLands, California. So, come and join me and let's tour you around the area. So, hang in there. Hi guys. So, ta sa gazebo ba? Ganindot ba yan ng gazebo? Nindot ba dyan ng gazebo, guys? Okay, let's go inside. Mag-check, hotel review ta sa kwarto nila. Isa mo nang bana. Okay. Nandoon na sa loob ang ahong bana, guys. It's nice. Ay. Tada. Anyway, let's go inside. Is it open, Han? Alright, guys. Here we are. 1:38. Mic already open. The hotel room. Oh yeah, it's nice. Turn the light.
I'm gonna put my tools in there.
Oh, they have a, what is this, darling? Far.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Can I put my tools right here on this bench?
Yeah. Ta-da, ta-da. So this is nice and clean. Also, look at the way the bed made. You can tell when it's new, when it's fresh and new. Oh, no, just tiny dust. It's being cleaned, and you can tell. I always like to check the bed bugs, but the sheets is really fresh. Look. Oh yes, it's nice. They have cover. Oh! There might be bed bugs. But there's 2 covers. But it's okay. Dili na ta mamatay, ana. Let's check their bathroom. Oh, hi. There's some cups. Ta-da! And this is the bath, restroom, toilet. It's nice. Oh. So it's being sold. That means it's nobody used it. And they have complimentary shampoo, body wash, conditioner, and it's nice and clean. Oh, you can tell when it's shiny. That means they have good housekeeping. They have good housekeeper here. That's me, MD168. Okay, this is the closet. Oh, they have some voltage, some safe here. This horse. Kabadyo, guys. Na sila kabadyo kung magplancha. So, it's nice. They have a comb, toothpaste, toothbrush. Oh yeah, they got everything. They have shade. So, these are free amenities, which is nice. So guys, that's it. So far it's good. Our friend Jeff booked us this room and it's free. Thank you sa sponsor, our dearest friend Jeff. It's my pleasure. So guys, hoy! Daghan sinay mong gihakot dong. So nice. It's nice here. Dynasty Suites. That's our bar. So this is part. It's an easy access. So look at there. We are waiting for our friend Jeff. It's a beautiful day, blue sky. Ta-da! Let's go back to our room and chill.
Uh-oh.
He's gonna be pulling up.
Hey, camera.
Hello, Jeff.
How are you?
Good.
What's up, brother?
It's crazy that we're all the way across the country.
I know.
And here we are. Here, have
There they are.
You want something to drink?
Oh,
I got water, cookies,
dude,
donuts.
I've been. Dalton and Caitlin.
Jacuzzi.
Oh,
Oh yeah, they have sauna.
Yes.
It's free?
Yeah. You can go in there and turn on that heat.
is it hot in there now?
No.
Wonder how long it takes to heat it up. Not that long.
Probably not.
That's cool.
They said you got a jacuzzi. That's probably as warm yet.
Is it heated? Cold?
It's a little chilly out there.
They have pool towels inside.
But they're probably not long.
Oh yeah.
When you go have breakfast,
Oh, there's no towel.
right across.
It's not heated pool.
I just put it. Of course, I did this my afternoon. I don't normally do.
Oh yeah, look at the wall. Let me see. Oh yeah. Let's see the breakfast area. Morning. What you want to eat, darling? All right, there's some fruits. We have some fruits. They have coffee. Yeah.
They got regular cups.
Ah. Not to go. I want to try this. What they got? Oh, yummy. Potato. Bacon. Alright, that's what I take. So guys, this is it for now. I hope you enjoyed our little tour here at the Dynasty Suites Hotel here in RedLands, California. Very simple and easy access and clean. And I hope you enjoy, and I just want to say thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog, travel. Right?